Next.
Oh, I've been chosen. Mando. What is up, you guys, and welcome to Hollywood Studios. I missed May the 4th, but I'm here for Revenge of the 6th. We're gonna walk around, see if anything special is going on, check out some merch, and just have a Star Wars day. Let's go! I'm gonna start at the front of the park. We'll do Keystone Clotheers first, and then we'll make our way around, end up in Galaxy's Edge, and then we'll probably finish up on Sunset Boulevard. As soon as I walk in, I'm seeing some Empire Strikes Back 45th. What do we got here? Can I open this? Oh, nice. Got Leia, R2. This is probably pricey. Let's see. $150. I'd have to keep that in the box. One more look. $130. Got a nice Yoda statue here. Pretty heavy. A lot of details. Just Yoda meditating out in his swamp. Kind of looks like where he's lifting Luke's ship out of the swamp. For $35, you got some Wampas down here. He's a little stiff. Is he opposable? Nope. And we got a little Yoda here. A little try me. What do you do, Yoda? Or do I try you?
Fear is the path to the dark side. Fear leads to anger. Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to surrender.
I don't know if you guys can hear him. It's pretty loud in here. Yoda is $50. That's not too bad. $60, you get a nice Empire crew neck sweater. Disney's really leaning into the sweaters, and it's so hot out already. Love the design. Save it for winter. If you saw my last video at the Springs, there are a lot of new sweaters out right now. And we got some matching ears, too. $28 for the Empire mug. This is kind of cool. A lot of details on here. Taking on the AT-ATs. Are you guys team AT-AT or team AT-AT? Got a pretty cool ornament here for $27. Pretty iconic scene, I'd say. You got the Falcon zooming away. $30 for the Tauntaun hat, and it is a trucker hat. Keep you cool. It's furry on the front, but got a little bit of breathing room. Look at this goof. Again, way too hot out right now, but this is a pretty sweet bomber jacket. Is this a bomber jacket? I don't know fashion. I just know Star Wars. Anything on the back? Oh, nice. It's definitely thick. It would definitely keep you warm. I really love this shirt. $30 for the shirt, $80 for the jacket. Pretty decent hat for $30. It is a snapback, but it's all embroidered. So that'll last you a little while. Revenge of the Sith Crocs. Very iconic scene, obviously. Anakin versus Obi-Wan in the lava. These are $65. Did I just find my new hat? You know I love my Darth Maul hat. This is $30. Couple lightsabers. Oh, this is a Nike hat. That's $40. Paying for the brand. I do like this. Simplicity. And this one's $30 as well. Super breathable Darth Vader button up. This is $65. It's really light. And there's also an X-Wing shirt that's a button up too. Same price, $65. What is this? You don't belong here. Is that a Tommy Bahama? Nope, just Disney parks. I already picked it up. I might as well show it off. For $40, they have lightsaber water bottles. These are pretty cool. Choose your side, light side or dark side. But I like the way they open. You just push this button right here. Fling. No sounds or anything like that. I don't think there's sounds. Does it need batteries or anything? Oh, there is a speaker on it.
That's what I told him. He was real close. He was dying like a bubble fit, like baseball computer. And he was like going back and forth from that and this one. And I was like,
How about that? The more you know. Anakin and Obi-Wan, Battle of the Heroes, kind of like a little play set. Looks like they will say something. Is that a button?
You were my brother, Anakin. I loved you.
Oh,
You will try. You underestimate my power.
awesome. I'm assuming the sabers light up too. These ones aren't lighting
I
up.
have failed you, Anakin. I have failed.
This is $50. At least you get two. Let's see if their sabers light up. Oh, yep, there we go. Be careful which ones you pick. Look at Anakin's saber on this one. Yeah. That one's straight. Alright, last thing for this store. Episode 3 t-shirt. $35. I like how Vader kind of takes over the background. Anakin's future. I guess I'll wander into Tatooine Traders. Probably gonna be a little chaotic in here, but let's check it out. A couple helmets here I haven't seen before. You got a Clone Trooper, 501st Legion. And they have a C-3PO as well. I know there's a Darth Vader somewhere. I've seen that online. These aren't priced, so I'm not sure. I'll do a little homework. For $100, you can get your own Dejeric set. Does it even have, like, the rules and stuff? I would assume there's something on the inside that tells you how to play. Here's all the pieces you get. Kind of heavy. I don't know how screen accurate it is, but that's cool. Found another helmet. Clone Trooper. This one says $100, so I would figure the helmets are $100, but I'm pretty sure that Darth Vader one costs a bit more. Okay, I immediately take back what I said, because they have a Mandalorian one here. $140. That's sick, but they also have a Moff Gideon. Also $140. Yeah, the helmets. A lot of helmets out right now. This one's $120. There's another one for $140. Okay, the Darth Vader one is actually behind the register, and he is also $140. Here's a look at some of these out of their box. Well, holy helmets. Super cool. Little too pricey for me, but they do have some good ones. I'm going to head over to that Muppet shop that's never open, but they did open it up for May the 4th. And I know they make May the 4th pins, but those sold out pretty much immediately. But go check it out, see if it's open, see if they have anything left over. Yeah, I figured. It's closed, but hey, worth wandering over. What if it was open? And it gives me an excuse to wander through Muppet's Courtyard one last time. Mama Melrose is smelling delicious. Let's begin our stroll through Galaxy's Edge. Oh, good timing for me. Mandalorian.
The welcome party. You look a little nervous. Say hello to Grogu. I think he likes you. Stop squirming. Next.
Oh, I've been chosen. Mando.
Tell me,
Oh, God.
can you rewire an instrument panel?
100%.
Let's hope so. Any work done on my ship, the margin of error is 0.
Understood.
Excellent. Enjoyed the time.
Okay.
Farewell now.
All right. That was sick. There's no like line to meet Mandalorian. He just kind of points to people in the crowd and is like, "You." So that was cool. I don't really do character meet and greets, but Mandalorian, I'm here for it. I'm just strolling through the market, and I have found some leftovers. You got a May the 4th be with you bag, little tote. That is $20. Pretty thick bag. They do have a t-shirt. I feel like I can't wear this because I wasn't here, but it is sick. This is $35. See if there's anything on the back. Nothing on the back. That is a nice shirt though. And they have a zip up, also with May the 4th on it. A couple TIE fighters. Oh, and the Falcon too. This is cool. Zip up is $70. Wow. Anything on the back? Yep. Got a little 3PO and R2. How about that? Come get it. It's probably gonna go quick. I almost missed this on the back side. I love this. This is $60. This is awesome. Oh man, do I buy the sweater and just not wear it for months on end? That is awesome. I'm gonna pass. If you guys want to make a beeline down here to get some of that stuff, that's Ronto Roasters right there, and the merch is on a little thing right down there. I'm gonna go in this store, see if they got anything cool going on in here. So this whole store is basically Stormtrooper merch. They have all kinds of stuff. I'll show you a couple things I think are cool. They have a Stormtrooper bust for $250. A little bit of art over here. This is $150. That's like the speeder bike helmet. It's $140. And we got a little figurine down here. This is also $140. See if I can beat that glare. Wait, there we go. There's another Stormtrooper helmet. This one's only $100. And of course you got some pins. I do like this AT-AT pin. Not for sale, but these blasters up here are sick. Wouldn't mind having one of those.
All of you in this outpost hear me. The First Order is now firmly in power. The Resistance has been destroyed, but they don't want to accept it. They cannot see that the First Order brings stability, order, and the rule of law to the galaxy. We will find out, and you will feel the consequence of your actions. Troopers!
Lieutenant.
Let's go!
Sir, welcome to Mantua.
You are a poor ambassador.
Sir,
Have you found the Resistance spy?
not yet, sir, but we will. I have dispatched reconnaissance
You
patrol.
have failed, Lieutenant.
Ooh!
That Resistance spy was tracked to Batu. You were sent to find her.
Sir!
If she is here, she may not be alone. Do you understand? The Resistance must not be allowed to regroup. If someone in this outpost knows something,
We need to find them.
I'm leaving team right away.
You will await further orders. Troopers,
Yes, sir.
now move. No.
So they're going backstage back there. I'm just going to make up my own theory. I'm going to keep walking this way and see if they pop out somewhere down from backstage around this building.
Sir. Here. We have been tracking a resistance spy. If you see her, will you notify the first
Interrogating
order?
this little girl.
Very good. We will call on you when it's time. I'm afraid not. Go now. We will destroy what's left of the resistance. Are you with us? Will you join the First Order? What matters is not what you say, but what I have seen. You will join us.
I'm sorry, sir.
Excellent. The Wookiee. Have you seen him?
Uh-oh.
You said they had information.
Sir, that's no ordinary Wookiee.
You waste my time. Not wise.
We're sorry, sir.
Very good. Good.
Our day just got worse.
If you see Kylo and he comes out, like, you know, on stage out of the little ship area, they're going to go backstage. Don't just leave the land. Keep wandering through because they're going to pop back out and kind of make their way around. I'm headed back to Earth. I figure I'll end the day on Sunset Boulevard. Go check out a couple shops there. You never know what you're going to find. I'm going into the Majestic Theater. I see a little Star Wars collection right up front that I have not seen before. $70. We got a very vibrant quarter zip with a collar, long sleeve shirt. Very interesting color choices. We got a fanny pack, $35. Nice buckle, a little shine to it. For $40, you have, yep, that's an interesting one. Daddy. Oh, okay, so it is in collaboration with somebody here. Ashley Eckstein. Got a long sleeve shirt for $50. I kind of like this. It's like graffiti. It's got little drips, like the spray paint wasn't all the way dry. We got some characters on the sleeves. Leia, Han Solo, Chewie, and Yoda. Oh, and then the dark side on the other sleeve. Vader, Stormtrooper, the Emperor, and Boba Fett. Come on, Boba Fett's neutral. Got a crew neck sweater for $65. Again, this graffiti kind of style. $70. You got a nice button up, same kind of style, graffiti. That's what I'm calling it anyway. Pretty cool. Got the Falcon on there. And one more, you got Princess, with obviously Princess Leia on there. Having a hard time with this shirt. Very interesting. And that's going to do it for our Hollywood Studios Revenge of the Sixth Day. Not a whole lot going on for, the actual day. Obviously, May the 4th is like the big one, but it's still cool to come out here and be here on a Star Wars day. Got to see Mandalorian and Kylo Ren in the same day, and a ton of new merch. I'm already eyeballing what I want to come back and get, because the next vlog you see go up is going to be our check-in day. Me and Tiffany are beginning our week-long Disney vacation. Let's go. I'll see you real soon. If your dreams don't come true, make them.